These are the 28 through 38 elevators at One Tampa City Center in Tampa, Florida. We got this one. Let's go up to 38. Here we are at 38. Here's your cab view. These are Otis Elevonic 411M. Series 1 fixtures. Here's your inspection certificate. Yeah, I think there's some sort of like restaurant on 38, hence the different button. There's also another elevator here that's on a separate controller, and it goes down to the ground floor as well. Here's that one, but here's this one. It still has an original Lexington call station. However, on the inside, it's just normal Series 1 buttons. I mean, newer Series 1 buttons, that is. Let's watch the button go out. Alright, here's 29. So again, here's like a cab view. It's got a TV screen as well, which is pretty interesting. Let's go to, let's see, it says the elevators are monitored 24/7. And we're stopping at, I think, 33. Now we're at 30. The door close button and the phone button are like really close. Here's your inspection certificate. Here are your fixtures. Again, Series 1. There's like a restaurant on 38. I mean, it's the top floor of the building.